there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we put products head-to-head to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got an epic drone showdown between the Holy Stone HS720E, which we'll call Holy Stone, and the Potensic ATOM SE, or just ATOM SE for short. Get ready for a flying frenzy as we dive into the details and see which drone takes the crown. First up, let's talk cameras. On the left, we've got the Holy Stone rocking a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a fancy Sony sensor. It's like having a professional cameraman in the sky. Reviewers appreciate its great video and picture quality. On the right, ATOM SE boasts a 4K camera with a Sony sensor and shake vanish tech. Reviewers are impressed by its 4K video quality and stability. While both are solid, Holy Stone's EIS might just give it the edge in keeping your videos smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. Now, let's talk about the damage to your wallet. Holy Stone comes in at a cool $399. Not cheap, but FAA compliant and packed with features. Meanwhile, ATOM SE is a bit kinder to your bank account at $299. Reviewers appreciate the ATOM SE's affordability without compromising on quality. If you're on a budget, ATOM SE might just be your new best friend. Next, flight time. Holy Stone gives you 46 minutes with its 2 batteries, which is great. However, ATOM SE swoops in with a whopping 62 minutes of flight time from its two 2,500 mAh batteries. Reviewers are particularly impressed by ATOM SE's long battery life. If you want to fly more and charge less, ATOM SE takes the cake here. User-friendly controls are crucial, especially if you're a drone newbie. Holy Stone offers Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. Pretty straightforward. ATOM SE, on the other hand, has a Surge Fly flight control system with beginner mode and 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport. Reviewers love its ease of use and flexibility, making it great for both beginners and advanced users. So whether you're a rookie or a Top Gun wannabe, ATOM SE gives you more flexibility. Noise levels. Holy Stone brags about its whisper-quiet brushless motors. Imagine flying without the buzz of 1,000 angry bees in your ears. Reviewers appreciate the quietness, making it ideal for stealthy flights. ATOM SE also has brushless motors and claims level 5 wind resistance, but doesn't emphasize quietness as much. If you want to fly stealthily, Holy Stone might be your best bet. Both drones have GPS and auto return to home features, so you won't lose your pricey toys. Holy Stone ensures it'll always find its way back, like a loyal puppy. ATOM SE goes a step further with precise GPS auto return and multi-flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight. Reviewers are impressed by its safety features and reliability. It's like having a drone that's also a tour guide. Both drones come highly recommended by users. Holy Stone is praised for its high quality, durability, and excellent customer service. ATOM SE, on the other hand, is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and long battery life. Both are solid choices depending on your specific needs. And there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS720E and the Potensic ATOM SE both have their perks. If you're looking for more flight time and budget-friendly options, ATOM SE is your go-to. But if you want whisper-quiet flights and smoother videos, Holy Stone might be calling your name. So which one will it be? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our epic product showdowns. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.